Hi. Hey. Well, so I made the what do you call it? The flour, sumac, salt, and pepper in here. Now I'm doing the wet ingredients. So I need an egg. Egg in here. Need the bean. And soy sauce. Give me that size. Easy, my butt.
Oh.
Yeah. Take. Like that.
You want to share with soy sauce?
Close it. Out of the way. Sticky ends to wash my hands.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Yeah, so guys, I've done this heaps of times, so I know what to do. Pretty much combined. I probably need a fork, don't I? Now I need a tray. Tray. Baking paper. More baking paper, guys. More baking paper. Okay. And now you love my cooking. I can see here. See this? I chop. Then I chop. Then I cut. Cut. This is what I do. So I do that. And then I do this. Right. Now, what is first? I can't remember what's first. Is none in there? Was it? I think it's in here, then in there. Okay. You can go to the chicken. I need a pair of tongs. Mix the chicken around. In there. So what I'm making is salt and pepper chicken. It's just a snack. It's not really dinner, just a snack. We already got food in the fridge, in the freezer. you do it. And now I need tongs. Snap, 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 snap. Let's put the fuck in here. Let's now put this in here. Into the, let's put like half in it. I made a mess. Alright, let's put half in there. Well, we need our tongs. I've done this heaps of times, so I know what to do. Yeah, now I need another pair of tongs. You have another. Orange. Hey, that's my colour. The orange, Chris orange. Original wiggle. And then on it goes. Blunk. Blunk, blunk. 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 Chicken is in there. This is after chicken is in there. Soaky. Let's put all of that in here now. You guys. Comment down below what shall I do with this. Throw it in the bin or pour it down the drain. I have no idea what she's saying, so anyway, let's mix this up. Mix it up, mix it up. I hope I'm doing this right. If not, then it will taste yucky. Anyway, here we go. Ready to plunk, plunk, plunk. 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 And plunk. And plunk. I did say I was going to make another video, YouTube video. Let's be here. Okay, I was going to stick to the thing. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now, yep, that. Oh, by the way, the cake I made earlier, it's right here. Fresh, hot from the oven. Vanilla and honey cake. Didn't last. Oh. In it goes. For about 35? Yeah. So, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Smash the like button. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and on TikTok. and like and subscribe to the Wiggles second YouTube channel. Smash that like button on us and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and Instagram. And kids, like and subscribe to the children's YouTube channel. Click that like button and turn on your post notifications to get Marky's videos and Marky's playlist. And guys, stay tuned for another YouTube channel coming very soon. So guys, keep it going.